Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PDF format. The Portable Document Format, or PDF, is a universal file type ensuring your documents appear consistently across any device or operating system. It's incredibly versatile, capable of holding text, images, and even interactive elements. Adobe first introduced this robust format in 1993, revolutionizing how we share digital information reliably and professionally, making it a cornerstone of digital communication today. Creating a PDF is straightforward. You can easily convert documents from popular applications like Microsoft Word or Google Docs directly into PDF format. Many operating systems also offer a convenient print-to-PDF option, allowing you to generate a PDF from virtually any printable content. Additionally, numerous online converters and dedicated software tools are available to help you create professional-looking PDFs, ensuring all your fonts and layouts are perfectly preserved. Viewing PDFs is simple with free readers like Adobe Acrobat Reader or even directly in your web browser. For basic interactions, you can highlight text, add comments, or fill out interactive forms. If you need to make more significant changes, such as editing text or images, specialized software is required. Many tools also allow you to merge several PDF files into one comprehensive document, or split a single PDF into multiple smaller ones for easier management. Securing and sharing your PDFs effectively is crucial. You can protect sensitive information by applying password encryption, restricting who can view or modify your document. Digital signatures offer a way to verify the document's authenticity and ensure it hasn't been tampered with. Sharing is effortless. Simply attach your PDF to an email, upload it to cloud storage, or provide a direct link. Remember to optimize larger files for quicker sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.